Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to animate slides in Canva. The first thing you want to do is go onto canva.com. From there, you can either choose presentations or you could choose videos. The technique that I'm about to show you to animate slides will work with either one. But for this tutorial, we'll be choosing presentations. After selecting presentations, from here you could simply scroll down and you can choose the format that you would like to use. So let's say for example we would like to create a 16 by 9 presentation. So we're going to tap on 16 by 9. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you're going to see a dashboard on the left hand corner. From there, you'll be able to add elements. And you're also going to see your main dashboard right here. So you can see at the moment how the presentation looks. So this is just a quick example. So you can see it right here. If you would like to change the template, you could go over to the left hand menu option, tap in the search bar right here, and you could type in the type of template or presentation that you would like to create. You can also use the options at the top right here to change it. So you can see right there. You can scroll down and you can see the different templates that you can use. And this is one of the beautiful things about Canva, as they provide you with numerous templates that makes it quite easy for even a complete beginner to create a stunning presentation or anything at all that you'd like to use Canva for. You can also use their layout features if you would like to change the layout, and you can also change the style. But now, to animate a presentation, all you'll need to do, so let's say for example we would like to animate the text. All we'll need to do is simply select the text that we'd like to animate. Then we're going to go to the top menu option in the top right hand corner, and you're going to select animate. After selecting animate, you're going to see a pop-up right here. And from here, you can see by hovering over each option with the mouse, you can see that the animation style changes. So let's say I would like to use that animation right there. I could simply select it. After selecting it, if I would like to add animation to the other texts, I can simply tap on the text once more, select the animation that I would like to apply. So let's say I would like to apply the same animation to all of the texts. I could do that, as you can see right there. Now going over to the second slide, I could tap on the second slide and I can also add animation to images. So I could simply select this image, then I would tap on animation once more. After you have done that, you can choose from any one of the animation options, as you can see right here. So you can see the different options. And by the way, if you don't see an animation option that you would like to use, you could simply tap on create an animation. Once you have tapped on create an animation, you'll be able to create your own animation. So let's say for example, I would like this image to go to the left and then to the right and then do it again. All I would need to do is simply select the image, then I'm going to drag it where I would like the animation to be, as you can see right there, and you can see it there. Then you can select smooth to smooth it out, as you can see there. You can also increase or decrease the speed of the animation, as you can see there. And you can also scroll down. If you would like to add motion effects, you can also do that. So let's say you would like it to rotate, flicker, pulse, or wiggle. You can do that also. Once you're finished, you'll simply tap on done in the bottom left hand corner. And you can do this with everything, whether it be text or image, and you can do this on all your pages. And that's basically it. Once you're finished adding your animations, you'll simply go over to the top right hand corner, tap on share. After you have selected share, you will scroll down, and from here you can select download, and you'll be able to download your presentation or your slides. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.